What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Finally, it's been like 3+ weeks. I was dealing with some stuff personally. People who are part of Flyt Circle, the Flyt fam over there, obviously you guys know what's going on and I appreciate it. And anyone else who kind of figured it out, thank you guys so much for the love, support, the DMs. We're feeling good. We're ready to go again. I've been taking the gym super serious, probably the last 3 to 4 weeks. I'm heading to work right now. Today's video is actually about, well, not right now, but I'm heading to work here shortly. But today's video is kind of how I get ready for an airline pilot trip. So if you guys are excited for this video, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. If you're new here, subscribe and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So I have a 3:26 report time today, and it is currently 12 o'clock. I got up, did a bunch of
If you can hear my washer and dryer, doing a lot of laundry right now. Printed out a bunch of Flyt apparel orders, not a bunch, like 12. And gonna pack those because the post office closes at 1. Then we're gonna head straight to the gym, gonna get a quick workout in, and then come back, pack, cook a little bit. I don't have much time, so thankfully it's only a 3-day trip, so I only need to pack for 2 nights food-wise, and then I'll probably end up getting lunch out one of those days. So yeah, anyways, that's the plan. Shout out to Ghost, by the way. They just sent me a bunch of their product. I was a big fan of Ghost, and then I stopped working out in 2020, and then I started working out again, and then Ghost reached out to me, and they were like, hey,
here's some product. So thanks, Ghost. I really appreciate it. Gonna get some pre-workout, pack some Flyt apparel orders, and hustle to the gym. Okay, so I have to keep reminding myself that you guys are here to see airline pilot stuff and not like a daily vlog. So I was gonna film at the gym and stuff, but then, yeah, anyways. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do for a trip. Food-wise, this is just a 3-day trip. I actually have min rest tonight. I'm going to Champaign, Illinois. Never been there, don't know what it's like, but it's min rest, so I'm not gonna go out and get food, anything. Anyways, so the first meal I'm gonna cook is ground bison and white rice. For anyone that's dieting, highly suggest at least try and pay attention to the lean fat percentage. I know a lot of people just go in and just will buy whatever kind of ground beef or whatever, but ground bison's really good. It's really lean, super healthy. It's expensive, but when it goes on sale, like you can get it for like $8 a pack. I think I got this from Publix, but I rack up on them and I get like 8 of them. Put them in the freezer and they work out just fine. So cook this. My special little like go-to recipe for the summer when I'm shredding down is literally ground bison or 96.4 lean ground beef, white rice, and then I add just a little bit. I try and stay away from dairy, so I add a little bit of this cashew fiesta dip. It just adds a lot of flavor to it. I get that from Trader Joe's. And then my favorite right here is this peach salsa, which is also from Trader Joe's. I put those two in like little Tupperware containers. So I'm gonna do the ground bison, and then this is perfect, also from Trader Joe's. It's already pre-cooked lemon pepper chicken. So I kind of just chop that up, also with rice. For a lot of people that don't know, I don't eat veggies really, which is really bad. So I'm trying to incorporate some sort of vegetables in my meals. And if I don't, at least know that I'm getting a protein shake with a lot of greens in it. I use the Garden of Life protein for a lot of that. So other than that, I just really need 2 meals, but I think I'm gonna pack 3. So we got that. And then the last one, I like to try and bring a variety of things. So this next one is gonna be ground turkey breast, which honestly is super bland, but look how it's 99% fat-free. I got that from Publix. And yeah, that's basically gonna be my meals. Of course, I'm gonna stock up with some ahas here and then caffeine as well, because you guys know airline pilots have to live on caffeine, and I unfortunately do not like coffee, so energy drinks is the way of life for me. I'll kind of cook everything, get it together, and then show you guys like supplements and stuff that I bring. I always make sure I bring my vitamins, which I'm almost out, and a couple snacks here and there. So I'll cook all this up and show you guys how I pack it in my lunchbox. All right, so the turkey breast or like ground turkey was actually expired. Thankfully, I noticed that by like 15 days. So I've got the bison rice, I've got the chicken and rice, and then I've got, look at these little containers. These are so funny, but I don't need, what brand are these? I don't know. I think I got these containers at Target like 2 years ago, and they still have them there, by the way, because they keep adding to the inventory. But these are phenomenal. These are the best ones. I think it's Rubbermaid. I could be wrong, but anyways, yeah, these are the best ones. And I've got the salsa and another little one. Sweet potato chips, cookies, Lenny and Larry's cookies, because I have like a 4 a.m. report time on day 3, so that's probably what I'll end up eating for breakfast. Salt and vinegar almonds, which are the best absolute things to snack on, and then caffeine. Yeah, a little bit of everything, and then I drink these at night because I'm obsessed with sparkling water. So that is the food. It'll all go in that lunchbox, and then I gotta go upstairs, shower, pack, and then head to the airport. All right, so I'm all packed, and before I show you guys what I put in my suitcase clothes-wise, big shout out to today's video sponsor, Cremo. Of course, you guys know I've been rocking with Cremo for the longest time, whether it's deodorant, face wash, but today I wanna talk to you guys about the thickening paste. It's my go-to. I like a low shine, high hold type of thing, so I literally just put about this much in right here, rub it in, and boom, don't have to worry about it the rest of the day. It literally stays just like this. And I like the, you know, kind of more matte finish, but they've got other things like the texture, which is basically the same thing, but a little bit more shine. And it's got the sea salt flavoring in it too, or I guess scent. So it's really good. If you guys want to check out Cremo at all, it'll be linked down in the description down below, but the thickening paste is hands down right there too. So since it's a quick 3-day trip and tonight is men rest, all I'm bringing with me is just gym clothes. So I've got 2 gym shirts, a pair of Flyt apparel shorts, gym shoes, socks, and I bring 2 uniforms actually. Some people wear the same outside uniform the entire trip, but I don't know why. I'm just weird like that. I like to bring undershirts and a new outer shirt every time. And then I've got to bring my external hard drive and whatnot to edit this YouTube video so it can be up on Sunday. So yeah, this is basically it. I got my flight bag. Some things that I like to do before I head out on a trip. I just make sure I have my license, medical, passport, my iPad's charged, up to date, all that stuff. I like to take out the trash of the house so it doesn't smell when I get back. And yeah, that's about it. So we're heading to the airport now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Peace.